What is it, 500 miles?
Or like 600. Shall we?
Got nothing better to do.
This isn't the campsite, you know.
Locals seem friendly.
Are you walking the path?
Yes, we are.
That's a long old hike.
Yeah.
Retired, are you?
Open up, Mr. Bailiffs.
Homeless, actually.
We lost everything.
Look me in the eye! Coward.
A home, no livelihood. Maybe we should just follow a line around the coast. We just walk. You ready?
Can't move my arms and my legs, but apart from that, good to go.
We've done extensive tests. All we can do is give you guidance.
You should take me back to the shop and get a different one.
Don't want a different one. What? Can I withdraw the £1.38, please?
You've got a plan!
This is wrong. Just all of it.
People here fight the elements. But when it's touched you, when you let it be, you'll never be the same again.
Leave the tent! I'm not leaving it! It's where we live!
Look at you!
I'd like to hear a story!
Walking gives us time to think.
I thought the house and everything was us, but it wasn't.
When you first told me that you loved me, no one had ever said that to me before. I think you're beautiful. Are you ready?